We have this apartment that we're renting in Spain, and one really special feature about this apartment is this mural behind me. This is an O'Neill surf painting. This might be a surfer's dream, but it's not my dream. The surfer logos have got to go. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Emily. I'm an illustrator. I like art and things, and this annoys me, so I need to paint over it. So I just need like
all the colors.
No. I don't know how to do quick math.
Yeah.
Our first step to extinguish the surface dream is to come up with some ideas of what we want to paint. We have a big empty space and we could fill it with literally anything, but that is too much, too wide. So I have come up with a few restrictions for myself to make life a bit easier. I needed something that's kind of marine animal related because I have a roommate slash partner slash boyfriend, and I needed him to accept this as he would be staring at it daily, just like me. And he loves animals. The other one is that I really needed it to be bright because our apartment looks kind of like this. So with these two restrictions in mind, something marine related, something bright. Marine animals live someplace that is not that bright. So what do? Well, we go on to Pinterest. Pinterest did not disappoint. I was trying so hard not to get lost in the pinning sauce. I did find these really cool pictures that captured the idea of what it was I was going for. We have the manta rays, we have the whales, we have the dolphins, we got all of these bright, beautiful colors, and now we just need to morph them together into our own idea. So I like making little thumbnails. As you can see, these thumbnails are not that much to look at, but they get the job done. I can do hard things. I prefer not to. I decided I would place the executive burden on my friends and my followers. So I decided to upload all of the sketches onto my Instagram stories and then have everyone else vote on them. Yeah, basically I asked everyone which sketch they liked the most, and they really liked them. It was cool, it was really cool. So thank you guys so much for your very nice feedback. It was a really close race. Like, everyone seemed to really love the cloud ideas. Like, maybe there's just something about marine animals soaring through the sky that people really love the idea of. Anyway, 3 of my 6 initial sketches emerged victorious. For the final vote, I wanted people to be able to vote on the colored versions because I wanted them to see the color palettes that I had in mind for each one. I tried spending the same amount of time and detail on each one. I really loved the one with the diver and the manta, and it's kind of like all blue. And maybe like an underwater picture would add to this like cave feeling that this place has, but in a good way, I think, in a good way. We'll see what people like and what they don't like. So the polls stayed ridiculously even for most of the day, but one concept captured the hearts of the people, and it was this one: the manta rays gliding through a pastel skyscape.
You're terrifying. Yeah.
Remember I said we were renting? Maybe you've been thinking, well, Emily, if you paint on the wall, I don't think your landlord is gonna be very happy. And you'd be correct. That's why we're not doing that. We are painting on something else that we can hang up on the wall. For this, you're gonna need tape, brushes, paint, and canvas. But I haven't seen canvas anywhere. But what I have seen is this white tablecloth in a home improvement store that I could buy by the meter.
So I'm thinking something like this.
So after some quick calculations, quick maths, I don't have quick maths. I don't know how to do quick maths. And some very, very broken Spanish, we got a lot of white tablecloth.
I want each of the colors to be like quite bright and quite homogeneous, because if I need to like mix each shade multiple times, it's gonna be uneven. Yeah.
Transition.
I need a purple. I need a pink. I also need like a lighter, more yellow. I need white. I need blue. So I just need like
All the colors.
no. Just trying to like strike in between, having them be super pigmented, but also not spending a shit ton on like each individual color. That's what we're trying to do.
Budget art.
Budget art.
So if you want to incorporate a bit more color and you want to revamp your own rented space, I totally recommend trying this, because you just get some sort of tablecloth or a canvas that you can paint on and you can take it back down again. So the one that I got was made of plastic so that the acrylic would bind to it and it wouldn't seep through. So just be aware of the material that you choose for this. I also couldn't find one that was big enough for the entire wall, so I measured out and then I taped together the different pieces so that they would fit my wall. But how much did all of this cost? The canvas, tape, and brushes came out to a whopping 27.18 euros. And then all of the paints plus a sketchbook that I also got came out to 61.75 euros. That's a total of 88.93 euros, and I'll leave it up to you to decide whether that's a lot or not that much for a total home makeover. Now all that's left is spending a dumb amount of time painting this mural right before moving out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.